Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing material and sizing the bore. Pick hardwood or PVC for durability and measure length precisely. Once cut to ~430 mm, mount the blank in a steady lathe or secure it in clamps. You want a smooth, cylindrical bore 15 to 18 mm across. Small diameter variance shifts pitch. Start with coarse reaming, then progress to fine. Make sure to check inner diameter every 10 mm with calipers. This step sets the acoustic foundation, so take time to get it right. Now you map hole placement and form the mouth. Use a scale chart to transfer 6 hole centers along the tube, spacing variations fine-tune tuning. Once marked, create a precise embouchure, a 10 to 12 mm aperture with a sharp windward edge and gentle bevel on the leeward side. This controls tone and response. Drill small pilots at each hole, then open them in stages, testing pitch after each enlargement. Keep a tuner handy, because small changes produce audible pitch shifts. Finish by tuning and sealing the instrument. Start with the lowest note, open or close the end to set overall length. You raise pitch by shortening the effective length or enlarging specific holes. Use fine files or reamers to tweak note scent values and test with a tuner after each change. Sand the exterior smooth, then oil or lacquer to stabilize wood. If a note stays flat, slightly enlarge its hole. If sharp, add a removable plug. Always recheck intonation after every adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.